Now we're up to creating an approximate shape of the chair. Hide the base and move on to creating the chair itself. Move the reference and create a sphere in 3D shapes. Now, turn on the projection view to orthographic view and place the sphere using the Move and Scale tool. Align the object to the reference. In the Control panel, select the function Polygon and select by combining left-click selection and right-click the rectangular selection. With the Delete key, delete the selected polygons. Form an approximate shape of the chair.